Hi, I'm Francisco, and welcome back to Interest Coaching. Also, a special thanks to all those of you that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you for your comments and your likes. For many years now, I've had the privilege of walking alongside individuals, couples, and families, people who are growing, people who are struggling, and people who are simply longing for something more in their relationships. And lately, I've noticed something very clear. There is a deep hunger in so many marriages today, a longing for connection, clarity, healing, and renewed purpose. That's why today I'm so excited to begin a special journey with you, a series called Building Your Marriage on Solid Ground. Let me ask you something, and I want you to really sit with this. When you look at your marriage right now, do you feel connection or distance? Do you experience peace or tension? Are you truly thriving together, or are you simply surviving day by day? So many couples I meet love each other deeply, but still feel stuck, disconnected, or exhausted. And here's what I've learned through years of serving and walking with others: information doesn't change marriages, transformation does. You don't need more theories, you don't need more advice. You need clarity, guidance, and a trustworthy relationship that helps you discover what truly matters and walks with you as you grow. And that's exactly what this series is about. In this series, we're not just going to talk about marriage, we're going to build it intentionally, skillfully, and compassionately. Whether you're newly married, rebuilding after hardship, or decades into your journey, it is never too late to strengthen your relationship. Even if you're just thinking about getting married, this series will help you prepare to build your marriage on solid ground. Together, we'll explore how to communicate as teammates, not opponents, and how to create shared meaning, direction, and vision, how to nurture emotional and physical intimacy, how to balance roles without losing yourself, how to manage finances with unity and purpose, and how to manage conflict without damaging your relationship. Each episode will give you real life insights from years of experience and learning from others. Simple exercises that produces real change. Honest conversations that will strengthen your journey. No judgment, no pressure, just growth, clarity, and hope. Allow me to share a story. I once worked with a couple, let's call them Monica and Bruce. They came to me after 12 years of marriage, barely speaking, sleeping in separate rooms, emotionally exhausted, and on the edge of separation. Monica said, "We're just too different. We can't agree on anything. There's no love anymore." So I asked them a simple question: when did this all happen? That moment changed everything. They had stopped loving each other. They had stopped learning from each other. They had stopped growing together. They had stopped investing in each other. 16 years later, they're not perfect. No couple is, but they're present, connected, intentional, and deeply engaged in their relationship. That's what genuine walking with other does. It creates a safe space. It asks honest questions. It opened doors for transformation. Everything I share with you comes from my own journey of growth through study, training, workshops, life experience, and most importantly, years of walking closely with others. Strong marriages aren't built on emotion alone, They're built on skills, awareness, intention, and daily practice. Your marriage isn't struggling because love is gone. It's struggling because no one taught you how to cultivate that love. Qualities like patience, empathy, kindness, emotional safety, and self control are learned behaviors, and that means they can be developed. And that's what we're going to do together. First, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. This series is designed as a journey. I don't want you to miss a single step. Second, invite your spouse into this conversation. Maybe over a coffee, you just say, "Hey, I found something that could really help us." That's not weakness, that's leadership. And third, leave a comment below. What is one area in your marriage you want to strengthen? Communication, trust, intimacy, finances, emotional connection? And if you're thinking, Francisco, our situation is deeper than a YouTube video, you're probably right, and you're not alone. Sometimes transformation happens best when someone walks beside you personally. And in that case, I'm willing to walk with you. Remember, strong marriages are not built by accident. They're built with intention, courage, and love. I'm Francisco, and I'm honored to serve you through interest coaching. Join me in the next episode where we dive into the foundation of all healthy relationships: communication. Until next time, keep growing, keep building, and invest in what matters most.